Hey guys, welcome back to Creating Home. My name's Melissa. Thanks for joining me again. Today we are next to our breezeway courtyard garden, and we're going to be working on the wall right behind me. And this is a project that I've been excited about for a while, and I've had the materials and the plants for a while, since last year too. So today we are going to get started, and we are going to install an Espalier diamond trellis on this blank wall right here. I think it is going to be really beautiful, and it is going to add a lot to this space. We're going to take some measurements and we're going to get started. 12 feet exactly. Let's do the height. Seven feet exactly. Oh, so that makes it so much easier.
Makes the math easy.
All right. 12 feet wide total. And then we had 7 feet to the top of the band board. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Confederate Jasmine, and I'm wanting to do some elongated diamonds. So 1 diamond per plant. So we'll mark that over here. The midway point, 3.5 feet, is where we're going to put our side pieces of our diamond. We're just going to kind of divide this into quarters, just kind of roughly. So these are going to all represent our screw eyes. So we'll need 5 of those going across. And then we'll need 1 in the middle on the bottom of each of those. And then the same on the top. It always just really helps me to draw things out. Okay, so then we're going to just create these elongated, just kind of an elongated wire trellis is what we're creating here. And we're going to do these tall diamonds. So this is what we're going to create on the wall. So now I have to just figure out my dimensions for where I need to put each of these. And we need to divide this into every 3 feet. So we'll go here at the white, or just at the trim, and then we're going to go 3 feet over. Then we're going to go 6 feet over to that one, 9 feet over, and then end at 12 feet. So that's where we'll put these. So 3.5 feet up, and then we're going to do every 3, 6, 9, and 12 feet for those. And then we'll go 7 feet up from the bottom. It's going to go in between. So this should be 1.5 feet, right? Because it'll be in between there. And then 4.5 feet. And then 7.5 feet. 10.5 feet for those top ones. And then it's going to be exactly the same here on the bottom. So we're going to create this, just the diamonds, not those straight or horizontal lines on this wall right here. So now I'm going to move these Confederate Jasmine out of the way, and I'm going to get our ladder in here and just do a little measuring and marking on the wall. easy, and it just kind of worked out that the measurements were pretty easy to work with. We had 12 feet across that we were doing, 7 feet up, and then everything broke into very easy dimensions. So that was very quick to mark all those spots. And now it's gonna be time to install those screw eyes. I ordered this Espalier kit, which I've got it labeled everywhere so I wouldn't lose it in our garage. And I ordered it off of Amazon last summer, and we just didn't get to this project. I wish we had so that these plants were a little more established, but I was gonna show you what was in it. This one is by TooTaci, TooTaci. It has this corded wire. It has these. A bunch of the screw eyes. These are very heavy duty. Anchors if we need those. We have hardy boards, so I'm thinking that's not going to be necessary. This is some a material to kind of guide the cable around it when you make a turn. And then these little pieces that help they help clip the wire and secure it once you have cut it. So seems pretty easy, but I think I'm going to get a little bit of help on this project. I'm being a little timid with it. You can see it taking shape already, and it is going to be pretty. Well, if you can keep the screwdriver in there, this makes very light work screwing these guys in. That's happened several times. So fun! So this one's nice and taut, and it has this turnbuckle on the bottom, and we'll add that onto this one to give it some tension. That's gonna look so good. All right, 2 down. Okay, that looks cool.
Looks really good.
It's gonna make it kind of feel like another room right here.
Very nice.
Okay, that turned out really good. Okay, so the diamonds are up. This is a nice kit. I mean, I feel like it's good quality materials.
Yeah, it's several strands tied together.
I think it was 7,
Yeah.
is what it said, and it was coated too. So that's nice. And then these turnbuckles allow to tighten with time if necessary. But I think that looks really good. So we'll get it planted up.
have it complete.